Hello viewers, I want to show you all how to draw a stylish letter A. Draw a straight horizontal line as guide for your drawing. Having the shape of the alphabet, I want to draw a mite. In this case, letter A. You will see how I mark out some lines that will guide me further. Now I begin the actual drawing. Watch closely. Look at that curves. Very perfect. Very artistic. Make proper use of your ruler and pen. Here I need to sketch out the shape before drawing. This is the end of the video. Thank you all my amazing viewers for finding time to watch my videos. Please do well to like, comment and share for more amazing videos.